It was already sad. They lost their homes to fire.
And now a group of thieves have taken what little possessions they had left. ABC 2 News' Don Harrison talked with some who have been hurt twice in 1 week.
I think that's a wall.
Well, do you see up there where there's like still...
Kelsey and Emily were roommates at the Seven Oaks apartment in Odenton. They were the lucky ones, if you can say that. They lost everything in the 3-alarm fire last Friday and didn't have to endure the indignity of losing the roof over their heads 1 week and more of their possessions to burglars a week later.
Already hard enough that so many people have lost so much, and to sit there and think that they had, you know, the opportunity to at least go back into their apartments and now there's nothing left, it's crazy.
Some sick people in the world. It's very sad that people would stoop that low to do that.
Alicia and Jason are planning a wedding in about a month. They lived in the building where the fire was. None of their things were damaged. They were one of the fortunate ones. Or so they thought.
Well, we were lucky enough that our stuff actually wasn't really damaged by the fire or by the hoses or anything, but the real damage was done by the thieves. They threw our clothes everywhere. I just had my bridal shower. Those gifts were thrown everywhere, and his stuff was stolen. This has just been, we're trying to plan a wedding, and this has just been ridiculous.
You can see here where the thieves broke into their front door. Although repairmen have been all through the building, Alicia and Jason were not allowed by the management to go back into their apartment after the fire. They are frustrated by how the situation was handled.
Workers were allowed in. I just wish they would have worked with the residents. Maybe workers could have gone in and brought down some of our valuables, or they could have done something so we could have gotten it in just to get our stuff.
I don't know what's worse, not having any of your things or having some of your things and getting them stolen in the end.
There has been a lot of bad news here lately. First, the devastating fire, and now the news of the robberies. But there is some good news to be had today. Both Emily and Kelsey do have renter's insurance. At Seven Oaks apartment, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.